What? 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 Okay, gorgeous. I am getting ready to do the do. All right. I am getting ready to chop off my hair. I did like chop off quite a bit. I gave myself an undercut. And I had like these big braids, and they were going up into a bun. And it was like so cute, right? But I decided that I'm gonna just go ahead and just chop it off. Somebody came on my recommended, and her hair was so cute, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want to chop my hair off. So that is exactly what I'm getting ready to do. Also, I don't know, my scalp was just a little irritated from those for those Marley twists. I don't know what's in that synthetic hair, but it was really like messing my hair up. But anywho, messing my scalp. So this is how long my hair is, like right there. And then I am going to chop it off. You may be wondering, why did I give myself an undercut? Because one section right here, before I went out of town, I had like a little spot right there. It was like some thinning of the hair. So I just went ahead and shaved it off. So yeah, we are getting ready to just do the thing here. I got my clippers. I got me some new scissors. Wait, hold on. Let me show you real quick. I got my relaxer Mazzani because I'm going to put a relaxer in, yes. And here are my new shears that I bought. And I got some silicone mix. So this here is supposed to, it's like a hair treatment to restore the health and, excuse me, the health, shine, and softness of dry, damaged, and weak hair. So you would basically wash your hair towel dry and put this on for like 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse it off. So this is like to repair the bonds, I'm assuming, in your hair, because it shows it like right there. Okay, I'm actually skipping my nail appointment to get this done. This is the mixer that goes in with that. And these are straight haircut scissors, shears. All right, and this only cost me like $4.99, so it really wasn't a lot. Altogether it was around $18-19. So we are going to just go ahead and just chop away. So let me go ahead and get into it. The one thing I can't find is my guard. I need my guard. This, I'm going to have to clean this off before it touches my hair. First step, I am going to cut away at my hair before I put the relaxer. I like to do it this way, so just in case if I cut too much, it's fine, because once I put the relaxer in, it, you know, it extends a little bit more. So first chop like right here. Do I want to do it like that? We'll start right here. Yeah, like right there. Ooh, those are some nice scissors. Look at that. Look at that cut. And that way that can be like my little guard. Yes. Look at how short that is right now. Hey. Alright, so you already know I'm going to do the rest off camera, because, girl, I'm just cutting off the long parts. Okay? That way you guys can see that part. But, yeah. I'm just cutting off the long parts. Look at that. Dang, that's a cute little blunt cut. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. Yeah. It's time to just cut it up. Ooh, look how blunt that is. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Again, I wish I had, wait, hold on. Permanent dye on my hair. Okay, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna just like go right there. Okay. Do I want a bang? I don't know if I really want hair. Like it. Girl. Do Tamika really want hair? I don't know. The way I feel right now, I'm not sure. And it's a little too late. So, bam. Trust the process, okay? We're going to get it even. Don't worry. There goes my little captain hook right there. So, can you see the vision? You can see it. Yes, girl. That hair is shining. See my little hook right there? Can't shake my hair no more. All right. So I'm just making sure that the hair is just smooth. Baby, my hair is gonna be laid laid down. Went on ahead and dyed my hair black. This is the semi-permanent. I use Beijing, however how you want to pronounce it. I'm going in with my Nairobi wrap lotion. This is the straight balm, okay? It is the absolute best wrap lotion out there. Thick. Oh my goodness, I love this wrap lotion. Just put it all over my head. And then I'm going to sit under my dryer. So the dryer, I used to have one of those hooded dryers you just sit up under. I can just sit it on top of a table. But my daughter accidentally threw it out because she thought that was part of the trash, that I didn't want it no more. But no. See, it's already coming together. Okay? So there's like no rhyme or reason like how I'm going to wrap my hair. Well, I guess there is a little. I did trim off some more off in the front. Because it was like down to here, but I didn't want it. So, as you can see, I trimmed off some. Okay. So I'm just gonna swoop it. Well, I'll just do it like this. Comb some in the front. And then leave cutting to do, like basically shaping. All right. But I'm just molding it into the direction of like how I want it to be curled. That's it. That is it. That is all. Okay. I'm just gonna do it like that. So like if I wanted to get a little fancy, I can just go like this a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Give it a little pizzazz in the front. Have a little bit more shape. Ugh, I had chopped too much off in the front to be doing that. But, you know, give it a little something. Ugh. I gotta get it together. Just give it a little definition in the front. Just a little. All right. That's it. Nothing too much. All right. So that is how we're going to have the hair. And I actually like short hair better. I mean, really, look at me. Then I'm going in with my red. Okay, I really didn't get a chance to use these last time back in 2024. So it's just a black strip. Okay, just wrap it around your head and it stays in place. And then I'm going over that. Bam. And then if I want to, I can use another one to like but I hate it when they do that because I don't like nothing on my neck, but you really want it to be flat as possible. Oh, it's tearing. Crap. Because it's so wet. Damp, I mean. Damp. Wrong word. Under my hooded dryer, so I'll be back. Okay, girls. So this is what the hair is looking like. Who is she? Ooh, get into it. Get into it. Not too much of the noggin showing. You know, the Captain Hook. But yes, I am loving it. All I gotta do is get my nails done tomorrow. Yes. I am loving this. And it's like really short. I was literally chopping away once my hair was, you know, dry and everything. Just put a little bit of the, what is it, the Blue Magic, the coconut. Just put a little bit on it, and the Design Essentials thermal heat. Use my little pencil iron that is controlled. I'm really loving it. See, this is why I love Mizani. I get the sensitive scalp because you can leave it on your hair a little bit longer. When I tell you, when I grabbed my hair, the ends, it just felt so weird. I don't know. It just didn't look right. It didn't look healthy, like compared to what my hair looks like right now. Like this looks really good. So I think I'm just gonna keep my hair short. I might let it grow out just a little, but I'm just gonna keep it short because I just like short hair on me, baby. When I tell you I can just get up and go, what yes, girl. Makeup, you know, my everyday makeup that I always wear. A little 1-2 step, not a whole lot. Get on camera and just show you exactly what my hair looks like. So now your girl is in her vibe. She is what? Ready and set to turn 46. I'm in my grown woman vibe, baby. You can't tell me nothing. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, gorgeous.